In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WP Travel Engine plugin, an essential tool for anyone looking to build a dynamic and engaging travel website with WordPress. With just a few straightforward steps, you'll be ready to showcase exciting tour packages and unforgettable travel experiences right on your site. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your WordPress site, and it's where you'll get started with installing the WP Travel Engine plugin. Once you've logged in, find the Plugins option in the menu on the left-hand side, hover over it, and select Add New. This will take you to the plugin directory where you can search for new plugins to add. In the search bar located at the top right, type in WP Travel Engine. You should see the plugin appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on Install Now. After a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Click that, and the plugin will become an active part of your WordPress site. Following activation, you'll notice a new menu item labeled Trips appear in your dashboard menu. This is where you'll manage and create your travel offerings. Click on Trips, and then go to Add New. Here, you're going to create your first tour. Think of this as the blueprint for your travel packages. Begin by entering all the essential details: the trip title, a compelling description, the price, duration, and any must-know itinerary highlights. These details will inform potential travelers about what they can expect from the tour and why it's worth joining. Once your tour details are set, you'll want to make it visually appealing. Upload any images associated with the trip. These could be photos from previous tours, captivating destination shots, or anything that showcases the experience in the best light. After everything is in place, hit the Publish button to make the tour live on your site. To showcase these trips on a specific page, navigate to Pages and click on Add New. You will need to add a shortcode to display your trips properly. Simply type in the shortcode WP Travel Engine Trips into the content area and publish the page. This shortcode is the key to integrating your trips seamlessly into your website's design and providing a smooth browsing experience for your visitors. Finally, once your trips are live, visitors to your site can view the trips page, check out detailed information, and easily book directly. This streamlined process allows you to offer a professional and attractive travel booking experience right from your website. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to utilize the WP Travel Engine plugin to enrich your travel website, bringing your adventurous offerings right to travelers' fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy travel planning.